Good.
Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. We're going to do an unboxing of a smokeless tabletop fire pit. They say fire pit, but doesn't call it a fire pot because it's a tabletop. It's a little bit, not a big one, it's a small one. I saw the other, like, that's cool. It's smokeless, so it burns really cleanly. So what we're going to do, we're going to unbox it, and then we're going to fire it up. We're going to prime it with alcohol and get it going. We're going to cook hot dogs on it. We're hungry, right? I'm hungry.
Yep.
I'm ready for my first hot dog. So this is actually an unboxing. When I get an Amazon box, I just punch it like this, and that's what I did. It came from FedEx, handed it to me, and I just whacked it. So that way, I just punch one side, and then it's got a handle there because I can carry 2 boxes that way. So I have not opened this. This is an actual unboxing, which is very rare for me. Okay, ready? Boom, boom. So we got fire starter. This is petroleum product. It will melt and drip and start your fire for you. They're also grandkid toys. I try to save them for grandkids, but sometimes I just have to do it myself. Because it's fun. Okay, so this is a trash can now. I guess I know what I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this on my heater so I can put my feet on the footrest. Okay, so here we have an outdoor tabletop fire pit. It says fire pit. I'm going to call it a fire pot because the pit sounds like it's down on the ground. This is not going to be down on the ground. It's going to be on top of the table. Well, not on that table. On top of the wood box or maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. So I'm going to open this. Let's see what it says here. Crown Fire Outdoor Tabletop Fire Pit. I don't know what I paid for it, but it was got damaged. Oh my gosh, it's shipping. 360 degree airflow design, 304 stainless steel, complete accessories. That's one thing I got it. One reason I got it. Quickly start, less smoke, no smoke less, no smoke, zero smoke. Dual fuel, wood pellets or branches is showing. Durable, yeah, portable, easy to use. Now, one has 2 handles on it. You put them in there. I like that one, but it's like 75 bucks. This is like, I'll put the link for it down below, but it's probably, I'm guessing it was like $42, I think, with shipping and whatnot, with tax. They nearly on that. Crown Fire Instruction Manual. Z-fold, triple fold, quad fold. 4 pages. You gotta be dexterous, and I don't have that. My fingers hurt and they're cold. Dear friend, thank you for purchasing Crown Tabletop Fire Pit. This manual will provide you with advice on the use, cleaning, and cautions for this product. If you're stupid, consider this to be a machine, don't use it. Bill Engvall, you ever watch him? The guy sticks his head, he's got the engine's going, he sees the belt, and he sticks his head, this is like a machine. Here's your sign. The sign says stupid. Don't use it if you're stupid. Package includes specs and parameters, suggestions for fuel, suggestions for use, suggestions for cleaning, warranty, cautions. Okay, so we have a lid. Well, let's find that. Lid, a windshield cover, a pellet adapter, a fire pit body, tabletop stand. I like that part. A nylon carry bag, extension roasting sticks, fire tongs, and fire starters. This is pretty good. It's got a lot of good. The other one, a lot of them don't have anything with them, so I like that. 3.1. Okay, that was 1, 2. Package includes 2. Okay, package includes is number 1. I just wrote all that off. Now, number 2, specs and parameters. Material is stainless steel. The dimensions are 7.5 by 7.5. It's round by 7.9 inches tall. It gives the dimensions in inches, not in centimeters. What did Cody Cohn say in the other video? This is in inches because we're not Satanists or something like that. We're not demonic, so. Weight, 3.5 pounds. Heat area, 2 feet. Oh my God, that's not enough. Place of use, outdoors. Well, no, we're going to break that rule. Fire starter. Fire starters can help create flames quickly and easily. We recommend to use Crown Fire's fire starter, which is made of natural materials and perfectly sized for this product. Am I talking slow enough? Probably not. And I'm not trying not to slur. burning wounds. The usual burning woods. The usual burning woods for this tabletop stove are pellets, chips, and charcoal. Yeah, not charcoal. What's wrong with burning charcoal inside the house?
Fumes.
Huh?
The fumes it puts off.
Carbon monoxide. You know anything about wood gas stoves? Doug Rittauer, he's like the guru, the pope of wood gas stoves around here. He has a truck. He said, I'll never buy another gallon of gasoline in my entire life, as long as I live. Because his truck burns wood gas. But he explained the process to me. He said, you make charcoal, and then you light that up, and that's what you burn your charcoal. I said, well, wait a minute, I've made charcoal before. So you're telling, I don't get it. You just burned it up, and you made charcoal. He goes, yeah, but when charcoal burns, it puts off one fuel, carbon monoxide, which is a perfect fuel. It's blue flame. It has one atom of carbon and one atom of oxygen. CO, carbon. That's what it gives off, is one atom of carbon, one atom of oxygen. So it's perfect fuel, perfectly matched, but it's also deadly. So you don't want. That's why they say don't burn charcoal inside the house, because it puts off carbon monoxide. It's already been burned off, but engines run great on it. You can actually run a lawnmower, a 2.5 horsepower, any 2.5 horsepower motor you can run on wood gas or on oxygen, HHO 2. Okay. Let's not get on too many bunny trails here. Don't need to educate everybody about everything in the world. Stop dumping the whole load. Assembly and suggestions for use. Assembly and placement. We recommend that you assemble the product according to the diagram or the operation video. Okay, we'll look for an operation video later. Please place this tabletop fire pit in an open, smooth, and ventilated outdoor area for use. Before adding fuel, make sure the fuel chamber is dry and free of water. Use the included fire tongs to hold the fire starter, light it, and place it in the center of the bottom of the stove, then cover with the pellet adapter. Add pellets, chips, charcoal, but be careful not to cover the fire starter completely to avoid the flame going out. If handling errors cause smoke when building a fire, you can add a piece of paper into the stove, and once the flame is formed, there will be no more smoke. The flame of a loaded stove can last about 20 minutes at a time, shorter for pellet fuel and longer for wood chips when filling. Adding fire. If you need the flame to last more than half an hour, start adding firewood when you observe the flame getting smaller. In our experience, it is not recommended to wait until there is no open flame before adding firewood, as this may result in insufficient combustion and a lot of smoke. I'm going to read that one again. Listen up. In our experience, it is not recommended to wait until there is no open flame before adding firewood, as this may result in insufficient combustion and a lot of smoke. Everybody follow that?
Mm-hmm.
What did they say?
Pretty much don't wait until the flame's all gone to try to add stuff to it, because then it's going to start smoking to try to catch back on.
That was too fast. Slow down. In different words, say it again.
If you wait until the flame is gone to try to add stuff to get it going again, it's going to start flaming and smoking. Or it's going to start smoking, when you try to get the fire going again.
You want to add a little bit of time to keep the...
As it's going, yeah, keep it going, add a little bit even though there's still flame, keep adding a little bit to it. Yeah, so letting it go all out.
You can use the included fire tongs as a tool to add fuel. This will not squash the flame by pouring in too much firewood at one time. And the process of slowly adding the fuel itself is comfortable. And the process of slowly adding fire itself is comfortable. Extinguish. When you are finished burning, it doesn't say that, but when you are finished burning the fire pit, please make sure the fuel has gone out thoroughly. Then put on the extinguisher. This will prevent dust, rain from entering into the fire pit and keep the interior dry for the next use. My dad, when he had a round charcoal grill, and when he was done, whether wood or whatever, he had a steel enamel oil change pan, and he would put that on it, and it would smother the fire and prevent it from burning out during the night. And also, he'd have charcoal the next day. Ready to go pick it up, and he already had charcoal. Suggestions of cleaning. When you are finished using it, there will usually be some ashes left inside the fireplace. Most of these embers will stay on top of the pellets